What's up guys, Federico here from Bitcoin Trading Pro. Today we have big news for Bitcoin because CleanSpark announced that they bought 12,500 units of Antminer S19 XP for $40.5 million, adding 1.76 exahashes per second to the Bitcoin network and making it even more secure. And guys, this is just the beginning because the CEO of CleanSpark said that they plan to reach 16 exahashes per second by the end of 2023. And guys, this would be an additional 7.54 exahashes per second to their current 8.46 exahashes per second total hash rate. The reason why I'm sharing this piece of news with you guys is that this is not just an isolated case. Investments in mining infrastructures increased during 2023 and we reached a new all-time high in terms of hash rate. We reached almost 400 exahashes per second, which means that the Bitcoin network has never been as secure as it is today, and of course, this is a sign that Bitcoin is extremely undervalued right now. Fundamentals are skyrocketing in 2023, and not only the hash rate, but also transactions with the boom of BRC20 tokens. Another interesting fact is that CleanSpark made this investment despite declining mining profitability, which is now down 44% over the past 12 months and 82% since the bull market in 2021. And mining companies are in fact preparing for the next halving in May 2024, as the CEO of Bitfarm stated in a recent report. And Bitfarm is another mining company which kept increasing production during 2023, and they now plan to expand their site in Quebec by 22 megawatts. Additional good news for the mining sector came from the US government, which finally did not include the tax on mining in the text of the bill to increase the debt ceiling. And the Senator Lamis also expressed conviction that the tax on mining is not going to happen. And the Democratic presidential candidate Robert F. Kennedy Jr. said that the environmental argument is a pretext to suppress anything that threatens the elite power structures, and if you ask me, I think he's right. But now you let me know guys in the comments, what do you think about this gigantic investment in mining infrastructures? Do you think that more companies are going to follow in 2023? And guys, if you agree with me that Bitcoin is extremely undervalued right now as the hash rate is skyrocketing, then make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel if you want to receive more of this news, and if you didn't watch my Bitcoin price prediction for 2024 and 2025, then you can watch it right there. And guys, see you in the next video.